Hello my dear friends, you are welcome to Sarah Motives. Today I am going to review one of my another favorite book, Think and Grow Rich, which is written by Napoleon Hill. He has given the 13 principles to become a rich person. Many times we feel that rich people are bad people and how can I become rich? My parents are not rich, then how can I do it? Yeah, but you can do it. Napoleon Hill experienced and researched the 50 most successful people of those times, and he researched about their life and get 13 main principles which are responsible for you to become rich. If you follow these principles, then you are going to be rich. It's not like that you have to be rich from your parents or you have some riches from your ancestors. No, it's not like that. If your parents are not rich, then you can become rich. You can start your riches by following these principles. So he has given the 15th main chapters in this book. The first chapter is introduction, in which he told that a person who want to become the partner with Thomas Edison, without even knowing about him, he just declared that I'm going to become the partner of Thomas, and he became. So if he can do without even knowing anything about him, you can also do. The first main step toward your riches is desire. You have to be the desired person who want to be rich. You have that want, that desire, that burning desire, not just wish. In the second chapter, faith. You must have faith in yourself. And the third chapter is about auto-suggestion. If you don't have faith, you can build it. You can make it. So that's how you can do. You can do it by auto-suggesting yourself. Suggest yourself again and again that I have faith, and you will make it. And the other fourth chapter is specialized knowledge. Many times it is said that you must have the knowledge about your business, about your career, about your dreams. But Napoleon Hill told that it is not necessary that you have all the knowledge, but you can acquire or you can have access to those people who have the specialized knowledge about your business. If you wanna become a writer, or if you wanna become entrepreneur, then you must hire those people who have the knowledge about your business. And the other fifth is imagination. You have to go with visualization and the imagination part. And the sixth is organized planning. If you have the 5 main things but you don't have the planning, then you won't be the rich person. And the other is decision. If you are a procrastinator or indecisive person, you will not become rich, because decision is necessary. When you have to take the risk, when you have to change something, you have to take the decision. And the other is persistence. If you are just going with the flow and when your mood is good you will do, and when your mood is not good you won't do, then you are not going to make it. So persistence is the key. And the other is power of the mastermind. Our mastermind is the driving force. You just have to take in charge of that. And the other is the mastery of 6 transmutation. The 6 energy is very much powerful. So you have to your 6 energy not only in physical, but to change, to transform it into other forms so that you can be more productive and you can go to your riches. And the 11th step toward your riches is the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is amazing. If you will work with it, it will make you toward your dreams. And the 12th is the brain, which is a broadcasting and receiving station for thoughts. So the thoughts that you want to give and you want to get, this is all in brain. Take control of your thoughts. And the 13th step is the 6th sense. It is also known as by the word intuition and gut feeling. So if you are anytime feeling bad or you don't have the clarity, then your 6th sense is going to guide you. And the last chapter is about how to remove your fears, how to remove all the fears that you have. So this is all about the book, and this is a really amazing book, one of the best sellers on the Amazon. you just purchase it at a reasonable price. The MRP is 150 rupees. Amazon, you will get it much lesser than that. So if you want summary of this book, then just let me know in the comments. I'll make that. Otherwise, you just and go with the reviews of this book and just purchase it and read it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to get more videos of such kind, then just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification. But don't forget to share with your friends, if any reader in your friend circle. Thank you so much.